I can't cheat too much, but I end up cheating a lot, and then every day I'm like, oh my god, I ate too much, oh my god, and I like go run to the gym twice. But I guess when you're following a diet, once a week is a good cheat. I end up doing 4 or 5 times. I work out every day. I feel like how, and I joke about this, I feel like how your body needs to shower, your cells need to shower, you know, so I like to sweat it out. I feel like my body only breathes when I work out. So yeah, I work out every day. I love working out. I mean, if you follow my Instagram, it's all kinds. I love weight training. I love to keep shocking the system. I don't stick to one particular regime because then your body gets used to that. So I experiment a lot with functional, which I really enjoy, which is hardcore. And I do that on the days where I'm cheating, so I know that I can burn more calories. And then I love doing weight training as well. So I just mix and match my workout according to what I'm eating. I'm the live to eat kind of person. So my meal decides my workout. I carry my food. If I know that there's going to be nothing around, then my set, you know, it's cooked. My food is sometimes cooked on set. My boy can cook. So we carry that stove and induction and, you know, some brown rice and dal if we're shooting in interiors where I know that there's no way I'm going to get anything healthy. So yeah, I don't drink alcohol, so I have no idea. Skincare regime is the general, you know, just clean your makeup and then moisturize and tone. And that's about it. And I don't do too many other things, but I do use a lot of fruits and besan and haldi and curd, you know, all these nuskhas. Weight training, if I had to choose, I'd say weight training. Because with weight training, you know, you're pushing your muscles to, there's something known as EPOC, which basically increases your metabolic rate. So when you lift heavy weights and when you push your body, you see that your body keeps shivering through the day, which I love. I love that sweet pain. So you end up burning more calories and it increases your metabolic rate, because of which you can eat more. So that's why weight training. Actually, it is not good to count calories, but for me as a person, it's become a habit. So the moment I look at a plate of food, I can tell you how many calories this plate would have, or how much protein this will have, how much carbs this will have, which is, like I said, obsessing over it. But I count my calories also sometimes. Not diet. I don't generally do crazy diets. Even when I'm saying that I watch what I eat, it's not like I don't eat. I need to eat every 3-4 hours, and I can kill a person, but I can't miss my meal. You know, that's how much I need my food on time. So eating clean and eating healthy is what I follow. This is a lifestyle change. I mean, when I was in school, back in school, we never thought that you had to really put in a thought to think what your next meal was going to be, or what if you ate something wrong and the next day you need to do damage control. But over the years, I think it's become a way of life. It's become a lifestyle where I know that if I've ended up eating a lot of ice cream or desserts at night, the next day has to be egg whites and egg whites and egg whites, because I need to balance. So I kind of do those crazy things. Secret to flawless complexion, workout.
And we are doing this thing called what I eat in a day. So I'm vegan, which most people know. So I prefer to eat mostly home food because we travel so much and then we can't control what we're eating outside. I mean, we don't always have the best options available, especially me when I travel. So what I eat in a day, I try to eat, I basically love Indian food, so I mostly eat home cooked food like dal, chawal. I'm a rice eater. So I eat basic home cooked dal, and if I have to spice things up, I eat pickle, I eat papad, which I love. And papad and pickle are actually great acidity regulators, and also they're really good for digestion. They help aid in digestion. I make my chai with vegan milk, which is coconut milk, and it tastes a little bit like a sweet pina colada. And now what I've done is something I'm really proud of. People are always complaining about how the environmental degradation is making our food very toxic. Like, you know, if you buy grapes, they have a layer of pesticide on them. Sometimes, you know, the bananas, they are made to ripen quickly by putting them in carbide, which is very, very, very toxic. Or mangoes are put in carbide and then packed in thermocol and paper to make them ripen faster. That's why you have mangoes available in March. Even on the red lights, people are cleaning strawberries with their spit. So I'm very, very, very of buying any of this from outside. I try and go to the organic farmers market that happens in Bandra, but that's not always possible. So what I've done now is set up a little kitchen garden. We started small because I have a lot of space in my house and I like greenery. So I have now lemon, basil, pudina, dhania, haldi, adrak, what curry patta, whatever's basically needed in the house. I also got a bunch of flower seeds from when I traveled to Amsterdam. Dutch people have a big culture of growing beautiful flowers. So I've got all season blooms, and because the population in the world of honeybees is deteriorating along with sparrows, and each animal or creature or being in the food chain is so important for all of us, for the survival of all of us, that I got seed bombs that you can plant and they attract honeybees and butterflies. So I can't wait to maybe show you someday how I've set up my. So because next time you come and you want lemonade, I'll just pluck a
hiding it with clothes. So we have recently started following a very, very packed and a very strict diet. So according to that diet, I should eat my last meal by 8 max. Like 7:30 is perfect. But yeah, that's my last meal. And but I do eat after that. I'm a night owl, so I don't need much sleep. I'm not someone who needs to sleep a lot. I'm very happy about that. I need about 5 to 6 hours of sleep to function well. In fact, if I get 8 hours of sleep, I'm really groggy when I wake up. And we can get into another discussion about why this happens to me. It's got something to do with your REM cycle. Meal of the day would be my breakfast, because considering that I don't eat after 8 o'clock, which sometimes I really do it, I'm able to achieve that. Then my breakfast is like I look forward to it. And then when you have your breakfast looking like what it looks like with the granola and everything and the fruits, it's really like a dessert in the morning. So my favorite cuisine is Japanese. I love sushi and pizza. I know it's not a cuisine, it's a lifestyle. I think mornings are the best time to work out. I work out in the morning, and an empty stomach is even better. Like, get up, do your workout, and then eat your yummy breakfast. Sorry, it just all goes to breakfast. But yeah, it is morning, which is the best time to work out. It's okay. Just cheat. Every night you should cheat. Every morning, every day. Like, just cheat. We are alive to eat, guys. Like, I will go on a protest if people tell me I can't handle it. Like, my trainer also tells me, please, you must have eaten something, that's why this is not happening. And I'm like, I can't. I get really disturbed. Like, what is this? I'm working out. I'm getting so hyper. I'm working out. I'm doing everything that I can. Why can't I eat? I should. All of us should eat. So no, cheating is allowed and cheating is okay every time. Just work out. Like, do 45 minutes of some physical activity every day. That's important. Strict no-no in my diet, I think fried. And for some weird reason, milk. Like, ever since I've shifted to Bombay, I'm a North Indian, I'm from Delhi. We've grown up on cold coffee. I'm sure all of you from Delhi know this. So when I came to Bombay, I was still having my cold coffee, but very soon I started getting I would feel vomitish and all of that. So I was like, okay, there's something weird happening here with milk. And I removed milk from my system, and I have black coffee now, so I don't need milk even in that. But yeah, I think that's my personal no-no. But otherwise, it's fried food. Not in rains. You have to have pakoras and bhajiyas. Like, come on. I work out every day. Thrice a week, I work out with my trainer. And other days, I do my cardio. Today, I have missed my cardio for Pink Villa. Don't like you guys. My favorite form of exercise is probably CrossFit, because you don't feel like you're exercising. Like, if you people know, a lot of us actors were doing something with Fits Up. They do a lot of CrossFit workouts, and we have a really good trainer.